How to claim Flock on mobile website with Best Wallet. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about gas fees. These are the costs required on a blockchain to process and validate any transaction, meaning you will have to pay a gas fee when claiming Flock tokens. Due to the size of the Flocker claim, we expect there to be a significant spike in gas fees. To claim your Flock tokens, make sure you have at least $50 worth of ETH in your wallet to cover these fees. You can easily buy ETH directly in Best Wallet or deposit it from an external wallet or exchange. Just go to your wallet's main screen and tap Buy or Receive to get started. It's also important to note that if you bought and staked Flock, your tokens are locked for a full 7 days once the claim period goes live. This will be similar if you are claiming in Best Wallet, so just follow these steps. On the Flocker website, tap Connect Wallet. A pop-up will appear asking you to select your wallet. Choose Best Wallet and then tap Open to approve the connection in your Best Wallet app. In Best Wallet, you should see a pop-up asking you to connect your wallet. Make sure you're connecting your purchasing wallet. Once connected, return to the Flocker website. Your wallet should now be connected and you should see your purchased amount of Flock tokens. Select your preferred option, Claim and Stake, or just Claim. Selecting Claim and Stake will stake your Flock tokens for 7 days and earn you staking rewards. If you select Claim, a pop-up will appear in your Best Wallet app to confirm the transaction. Tap Confirm to complete your claim transaction. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient and don't try again. You can also view your transaction status on Etherscan. Once your transaction is complete, refresh your wallet, and your Flock tokens should appear automatically. And that was all. Subscribe. It's free.